Hey friends, if you wish to check the battery health in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So I have a command for you, which is powercfg space for a backslash battery report. I have shared it in the description section of the video. So you have to search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. Now it will give an HTML document file path. Simply copy this path, press Windows plus R, paste it here and hit enter. This will open the battery report. Okay, it will give you the complete report of the battery and its capacity at every time. Okay, and whenever it was down and to what percentage it was down. So you can check it here, the complete battery usage report and battery capacity history and its life estimates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.